guys, so I just wanted to come on here and give this video a little bit more of a structured intro. I've literally just finished editing it and there's not really a proper intro to it. We literally just start like doing makeup and getting ready. So as you can tell from the title, this is my Dubai vlog. It's like a get ready with us, a come out with us. It's a bit of a roller coaster, this video. I feel like it goes from like 0 to 100 so quickly. Yeah, it's a little bit disjointed in some places, so I hope you all still really enjoy it. I've literally been crying, laughing, watching some of these clips back. Yeah, this is my get ready with us and come out with us in Dubai. I hope you all enjoy.
Do the honours. Do the honours. Alright, well we are actually going out tonight.
Thanks.
So sorry. We're having pretty much our only like proper night out of the trip. We're gonna get ready, have some drinks. I'm gonna bring you out for the night out as well. I'm excited.
No matter what, we're gonna have fun.
A face.
I'm so that was my part. I promise you that was my part.
Oh, you fucked. I thought you fully said like that was my fault. I'm sorry.
That was my
I was like, oh my god. Can you see that I've literally got no pants on? Probably.
Sorry, my legs are crossed, but like, oh,
let me just
the floor really hurts.
We've tried to like set this up as best as we can, but it is a bit cozy.
Anyways,
cheers.
Oh,
the best trip. It actually has been.
Oh.
Gosh. Oh my god, why are they all straight tequila? Strong. Yummy though. I could literally smell that before I tasted it.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, we've got a Long Island iced tea, but they've not mixed the Coke in yet, so it literally is just, Google what's in a Long Island iced tea. It literally smells it smells like a hangover, and we have...
Is that the door?
That is the door.
It's the man taking the tray.
Oh.
So I just thought we can do
that fucking suitcase.
It's mine.
Oh.
Yeah, to be fair, I never unpacked mine. Do you know what? I usually unpack for like every single holiday.
And I said, are you going to unpack? Are you going to unpack? And you went, Rachel, I'm going to do it in 5 minutes. You don't need to ask me again.
So this was the issue for this trip, is that I did so many orders. I feel like we both did so many orders and literally nothing came. So I feel like in terms of clothes and stuff,
I didn't do so many. It was the one order that didn't come.
So I feel like I packed so little.
3.
Yeah. I had like 2 PLC orders that didn't come and an ASOS order that didn't come.
And I don't want to know how long I've had this brush for.
What brush is it?
A MAC.
Look at the bottom.
Oh.
To be fair, I was going through my brushes the other day, like just getting rid of ones that like, I don't know, I've just never used or whatever, and like I just can't bring myself to throw any of my MAC brushes away.
No.
I'm like, they were just so, well, yeah, good.
I remember like I always wanted to take my brush belt from MAC, but I don't think we were allowed to take your brush belt. I'm not sure.
I took mine.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oops.
Good lighting. What kind of makeup is everyone doing? Because mine will be the same as it always is.
I think mine's going to be the same, just a little bit more exaggerated. I never put eyeshadow underneath my eye usually, but I think I'm going to do a little bit, like just make it a bit more like sexier and smokier.
You can put the pencil in the waterline.
Yeah.
You do really suit pencil in the water.
Thanks, moms.
I've actually got to do a casting video before we leave tonight, so I'm hoping that I'm not too tipsy before we go. Maybe I need the confidence from it.
Yeah, true. Do you know what? That is what tequila does.
Maybe I'll be like, hi, I'm Madison and I want to work for you.
But do you know what the thing is with things like that, is that like, I feel like people get like a bit like embarrassed if it was like an audition, do you know what I mean? But do you know what I think is more embarrassing? When you don't try and then you watch it back and you're like, oh, I should have put way more effort into that. Like, do you know what I mean? Or when you're watching someone else and you can tell that they're really nervous or awkward and you just want to be like, oh, like,
yeah. Oh my god, we're seeing a UK artist tonight.
Where are we actually going? Like, do you know what?
Actually,
the club?
I don't know.
Oh my god, I actually don't think I've been to a club.
Since COVID.
I was like waiting for the end of that sentence. I was like, what do you mean you don't think you've been to a club?
To be fair, our flight's not until like 2:30 tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I feel like we should be fine.
Yeah. Do you know what? I feel like I've given myself, because usually I've been getting really bad hangovers.
Yeah.
But I've literally not had a single hangover like since being here.
I think it's a holiday thing, you know.
I think so as well.
I feel like when you're just in the sun, I don't know.
I know.
I don't often get like hangovers on holiday.
I think it's because we're not drinking any wine.
Yeah, I do as well.
And we're just drinking like tequila like all the time.
We've just been sticking on the same drink. I think that's like
the
way forward.
My dad did say to me like,
what rosé is like poison for your body, like it really is.
You know, until you said that about like the grapes and stuff as well, I've never actually thought of it
Like it just goes through like so much to like become what it is.
I just thought it was like strawberries instead of grapes, so like I didn't really think about it. You know what,
there is probably like berry vibes in it. They do describe it as like berries, but
I'm still like yet to like red wine though. I feel
I
like both
love
of you
red
love
wine.
red wine, whereas I'm like not quite there yet.
Red wine's my favourite out of all three.
Is it?
I hate that it makes my like
Teeth red.
yeah, like because you want to be like sexy.
I feel like a man drinking red wine is like a man drinking whiskey.
Yeah.
Like it's very like manly and sexy.
I
don't know,
I
it's
start to
I
like
want to see what
it.
stories
You
about
know
you got
what I
good
mean?
taste.
Yeah, like if I saw a man sipping a rosé, I'd be even though Manny likes rosé, but I'd just be a bit like, oh, come on, girl.
Yeah, go on, girl, with your corn salad sitting at the bar. Do you know what I fucking hate? Beer. Like,
Yeah,
like
Can't
no.
get
There
on
was
board with that.
A waiter that came over to us with a tray of beer, and I was looking at him like,
Do we look like we drink beer?
no. Okay, so what was your experience with the bag? Because it's Hannah's first time.
I've really enjoyed it. And do you know what? It's not been too hot. That's actually what I was
I was
stressing
gonna say, I think
about.
we've come at like a good time for like the temperature.
Yeah.
You know what? The one thing I have loved doing in Dubai is people watching. Like,
Yeah.
I found it very interesting to people watch.
Oh, it's very like there's very interesting people here.
That's why I love sunglasses so much, because people watching is so much easier.
The girl I took pictures for on the beach was from London.
Oh, that was really cute.
No.
The way her boyfriend was just like, my girlfriend's getting stressed.
So there is actually nothing worse. Like when you've got a picture in your head, she was like,
Yeah.
I really wanted one like in front of the skyline and stuff. I was like, well, let's go. Like,
sometimes guys just
Did you get the shot?
don't get it.
yeah. She'd never heard of like the burst tool.
Oh my god.
So I showed her and she was like, oh my god.
That's the one thing I've got to commend my boyfriend on. He can take a very, very, very good Instagram photo. Like, he just has an eye. I feel like a lot of guys just don't have an eye for it, but he just really does.
I think I've got an eye. I always think like if I wasn't doing what I'm doing, I would do like campaigns or something. I can just like see.
like directing.
Yeah. I just hilarious. Like, Rachel, this is the gloss that you bought with you. And this is the gloss that you bought at Sephora. Like,
Literally.
why did you do
I
that?
really liked wearing that one today. It looked really good.
Yeah, I think I'm going to put it on tonight.
Oh my god, Anna Paul was staying in our hotel.
Oh, yeah. Hannah doesn't know who
I
that
still
is.
have no idea who that is. Did you do TikTok, did you say?
She does OnlyFans, but like,
I know her from TikTok. I had no idea.
they're going to be like, I know her from OnlyFans. Like,
Yeah, Felicity girl.
Fully subscribed. What was that noise? Why did something went?
That was fine. I can't believe how much better I look since I cleaned my ears out. No, because I had a tan build up in my ears and I didn't realise what about me didn't look right. And
In
then I
your
cleaned
ear?
my because I use like face tan and it had all just
Mine does
built
that to
up
me.
in my ear,
Yeah,
and then I
I
cleaned
think
it
so.
out, and now when I'm doing my makeup I'm like, oh.
Oh god, is it really high?
I don't know. Just put it down now.
Fucking hell. What are you saying?
Because you're saying it's so hot.
Jesus Christ, oh my god. I really envy like how like comfortable you are, because you just said that like you literally had and like Mount Vesuvius just went off out of your ass and here you are with a piece of string like.
No, we're not going to do that.
I'm trying to suck them back up.
No, because you bait. This needs to be soft.
Like little jumping birds. You know when they're like. It's from my powder.
At least we know from past experience yours dries fine, whereas mine will look like
No, I've wet the powder. You fucking me, alright? Where's the water coming from?
Carry on crying, it's giving me a chance to catch up.
You.
What actually just made me laugh so much then?
I don't know. So you've forgotten.
It's like coming out.
No,
dude,
yeah. Don't even look at me.
No, there's literally me on the room service.
No. They do be calling you Dennis the Menace. Like people's blankies that are like, ugh, like what? Like Flip. Oh yeah, guys, if you know my dolphin Flip, I went to the tour. I bring him obviously in my carry-on because he's irreplaceable. Like if my luggage got lost and he was inside it, like I would probably die. And like, so I bring him on the plane with me. He's a great cushion as well. I went to the toilet and like we were, guys.
What's happened?
Like it's all gone wrong. Anyway, yeah, so I went to the toilet on the plane and I left Flip like in my seat, and the man next to us goes to Hannah like, what's the deal with the dolphin?
He's like, who's this then? And I was like, oh, it's Rachel's Flip. And he was like, Flip, that makes sense.
No, but like why though?
Because he's a dolphin.
Yeah, but like what, like what, because dolphins flip?
Because they have flippers.
Yeah, flippers. Like that's what I mean. Like, why didn't I just call him Flipper? Like, she's winning. Madge is winning.
I know. I was thinking, please cry more because I need to catch up.
Now, do you know what? It's fine because I think I put a bit too much blush on, and I was already thinking like,
I've put way too much concealer on now, but it is what it is. You know what? I always just try and tell myself if I'm going out, like I'm literally.
It's gonna be dark.
It's gonna be dark, and I'm gonna be drunk, so like it's fine.
Yeah.
Fucking yeah.
if you don't comment, if you don't make that your next Instagram caption, fucking yo. You've said a few things this trip and I'm like, really? Oh my god, there's 21 minutes left on the timer. It's 20 to 10. Oh, luckily,
Do we have to
it's
be
only
there
10 minutes.
after?
It's 10 minutes away, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the camera kept cutting out, but we've just finished getting ready. I've just put this dress on here, which, where is this from actually? I feel like this is from Meshki. It's just like a little black mini dress with like a round neckline and little short sleeves, and it does ruche at the side as well, so I've just pulled it up a little bit. And then I've done nude heels. I think I'm gonna do maybe like my brown Fendi bag, which is currently under here. Kind of just wanted to be comfy. I did have cargo pants and like a little bralette on initially, but
let's be honest.
what are you gonna say, missus? What are you gonna say?
We're all having a breakdown. Nothing's
are.
going right. Like, you know when you're just getting ready and if I feel like I've got steam coming out my ears because it's like I'm going to if one more thing goes wrong, I'm going. Let's like yeah, I'm going.
Let's just have a breath. I mean, we've also tried to make this like Long Island iced tea, and I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't taste great. No, do you know what? It'll be fine. I think we're all just having a little bit of a moment. Also, my under eye is so cakey after friggin' crying all of my makeup off. I think I'm just gonna stick with this because do you know what? I'm comfy and I'm over it. So cheers. Tequila, of course. The shot of the night, ladies.
I've not got proper.
Sure, I'm going home with a bruised skull and a black eye at this
Can I
point.
pretend this is me?
What do you mean pretend it's you?
Because I don't think I'm in the shot. Hello.
I can see your face.
I can see it too. This is what's wrong, is that my eyes are so goddamn bloodshot. It's disgusting.
Oh, well, we had a fun night. It was
I snogged both of them because I was like, imagine this. Who had a BBL came in and went, alright, gotta go, bye.
Everyone that had a BBL went like this. And
No, I'm not joking. We were all sat there gawking at these like humongous bottoms. My ass doesn't quite clap the same way. Yours does. Her tits do. And then I'm just clapping at like I'm just clapping. What? I'm clapping.
We gotta be up in like 5 hours.
What?
Rachel!
No. I've just got one thing to say is like, you know what, like actually, you know, caterpillars become like something called
Butterflies.
Yeah. You know what's a nice bug?
Me and Flip are going to bed. What?
Gotta go.
Got to go. Good night, P-Bell. Thanks for
Why
watching.
is your ass always there?
This is fun.
If you don't get it, then you don't get it.
I feel disgusting.